This is our shop G80 M3, and today we're gonna be throwing all of these carbon fiber parts on it, from engine bay parts to side skirts to rear bumper extensions. And you may look at this car and ask yourself, what else is there to do to it? Well, I daily it, so I'm getting kind of bored. So without further ado, let's throw some more stuff on this car. You may look at the engine bay and say, it kind of looks like already a lot is done to it, but really not that much. So we have the front mount intakes, all the titanium, the carbon fiber, but the only thing carbon fiber in here is this carbon fiber engine cover. So we're gonna have to change that. I'm thinking add a few trim pieces around here. And let's show you guys the parts we got for this thing. So some side pieces right here, they're gonna pop in right here on the engine bay, and then we got a radiator cover. I think it's gonna tie it together, the engine bay, very, very well. You may already notice we have a lot of carbon fiber on this car already, but these are the version 1 of the carbon fiber side skirts for the G80 M3. In the version 2, we added a step lip side skirt extension on these. So we're gonna be testing these. It's the first time we're putting these on a car, so super excited to see how those look. Now moving to the back of the car, we have these carbon fiber rear bumper extensions. They go right here under this OEM rear bumper splitter, and I think it's just gonna tie together with those new side skirts really, really good. I'm super excited to see how these parts look with the revamp on the G80 M3. But without further ado, we have a lot of stuff to put on, so let's get it all thrown on there. So we got the car in the air, we got Nick and Ransom, they're about to throw on all these parts for us. We're starting in the back of the car, going with the rear bumper extensions first. We'll see how it looks.
Check this out. Come here. Look at all this rubber. He be doing burnouts, I gotta clean it up. This double-sided tape.
Not me.
Sticks up, right? You gotta clean all this up.
It's slow. It's 500 horsepower.
Yeah. Why you lying to him now?
It's 500, bro. It's 500. It's stopped.
It's a sleeper.
It on low boost, right?
It's locked. The DME's locked.
Yeah. So he's got like a little rattle.
Active auto work, man.
So when it's idling and it's cold, hits one of those and it rattles and it sounds like it's like a 97 Civic.
You don't want that with the G80.
Something like that. Yeah, no. Yeah. So they tried to shim it down. We didn't do any of this. He bought the car with it already, but they tried to shim it, so that's what all that was. More shims, check it.
Yeah, now we're gonna have to pick those up.
So with the diff?
Look how corroded this ground strap looks. This is
yeah.
what it is. It's a ground strap going to the diff.
So you're gonna fix it?
So I'm gonna take it off and put it back on. Hopefully it cleans up.
You fix my problems, man. That's why I like you. No, just kidding. I actually like you.
Bryce is having some like diff lock issues, right? It's saying like rear differential lock not working, something like that. Look at this ground strap. So I'm gonna pop it off and clean up right here. Yeah. You see that ground strap going to the rear diff? Yeah. The ground straps are a huge factor on these cars. So I'm gonna pop it off, clean it up, and see if it still pops it, because it shouldn't be popping it. It's a $100,000 car. Just even taking the bolt off, look how corroded it is. When you go, look at it clean up the thread. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna hit it with like some sandpaper and make it a good connection again. Hey, Papa! This is supposed to be a ground strap. Look at all that corrosion up in there. Look at the bottom.
It's not grounding?
I mean, that would be a bad connection.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I've had a diff issue, guys, on this car, and the car throws dick.
What?
But the car throws a diff lock code all the time, like every time I drive, like 5 times, so.
But look at this, check this out. I'm gonna teach you right now. So look at this ground strap going to the side of the diff.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
This loose ass connection.
No, I took it off, but look at this. It's supposed to be bare metal.
Oh yeah, that's
to keep a good connection, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But like even this right here, like it looks all types of corroded.
So like when you try to ground with like metal with powder coat on it won't work.
It's the same. It's the same thing. This is just corrosion.
Yeah.
Right, but that definitely makes sense. Right, because it has some sort of connection. Sometimes it just gets to the point where it has nothing.
Hey, your car's throwing dick, bro. Your car's throwing dick.
Your car throwing dick?
Yeah, my car's throwing dick. Now it is.
It's dragging, right? You know what I keep saying? Somebody's got to get truck nuts for their diffuser. Somebody's got to get truck nuts and let them drag.
Leave that for the truck guys. We're not doing that. No way.
Can you imagine like some magnesium truck nuts?
I could, but I don't want to be honest with
some
you.
magnesium truck nuts is like the Razor scooters when they
Dude,
hit the ground
already
with
has
spark.
nuts. What is this, bro? These are the nuts. We gotta get rid of this.
That is so loud, bro.
While the boys are taking off the side skirt pieces, we're gonna get a ride in Anthony's car. He just single turboed it, so
I gotta show the boy what's good. I gotta show you.
I know.
Still on, what I would consider a safe tune. Only making like high fives, maybe 550. Final tune should be around like 620, 650 max. This turbo will max out around like 700 wheel, but I don't see the need to have that much on a street car. And it's raining.
650 is good. Oh, the sound, bro.
The sound's crazy.
So good.
It's crazy. Second isn't the most powerful gear. Third is where the hit is.
Dude, just the sound. I don't even care about
Right?
how it
That's what I'm
feels, bro.
saying. The Vargas turbo kit sounds the best. The thing that is cool apart from the flutter is how the exhaust actually sounds now. All that S55
It totally changes that rasp. Bro.
rasp.
Like, yeah. No,
There is
100%, bro.
there is zero rasp with this setup. Before, with the stock turbos and my catless downpipes and Valvetronic system, when I would like drive at like 2,000 RPMs, it would have that F80 rasp. This shit, zero, completely gone. Like
Turbo S55, the world.
the world, bro, the world.
Yeah.
It's good.
Really good.
It's good. Yep, don't worry about that. Drivetrain malfunction.
Got some water for the boys.
I totally didn't spend 8 hours detailing my entire car last night for it to rain today.
That's why it rained.
Yep.
It's because you washed it.
So we got a fat piece of double-sided tape right here. I've never seen something like this. That's gonna stay on though.
So, you may ask yourself, why are we doing carbon side skirts if we already have carbon side skirts? Well, these are a version 2 of these side skirts. This is the ones that were on the car. They're OEM style, no extension here on the bottom. We're switching over to the version 2, and as you see on this, they have a step lip here, side skirt extension, and I think they just look way more aggressive. So, these paired with the rear bumper extensions, I think it was tied all together. So, really excited to see how these will look on the car.
So with the carbon, you gotta line it up for sure. Right, we're using stock bolt holes. Hit it with a little something like that. Perfect lineup. Got some pop clips. I'm telling you, bro. Like with the lip, the new side skirts, and then this, everything's just gonna be
Ties it all together. I like it.
It's gonna be like a straight line.
These use OEM?
Yeah,
I like.
It's nice.
I gave these to Finding Nick a while ago, but I've never seen them on any car in person. I
Really?
like them. Yeah, valid.
This is the hardest part right here, the install. Trying to get the tape off with some gloves on. Never mind. Easy, just like that.
It's too easy.
I was talking too early. So same, no.
Same ordeal.
Yeah, we got hella rubber still. He Bryce be doing burnouts. There's a sick video on Insta of him doing a fat ass burnout, bro. Like the smokiest burnout I've ever seen in person. And they got it on film from like the, you know, what would that be, like 3/4 view?
Yeah.
If it was on the door and aiming at the back tire, what
side
would that
view?
be? Side view? Oh my gosh, bro, just a pillow. That's what it looked like, just a whole ass cloud behind him. It looked soft though, you know what I'm saying? In Mexico, he did it in Mexico though.
Yeah, you have to include that.
Yeah. So same thing, I'm trying to line up all these holes. Sticky though. Like when you get them, they come like molded at like a straight angle, right? But when you actually throw them on the skirt, there's like pops here. They gotta go up here. So to clear this and then get the top, it's angled down like this. So you have to pull the actual full side skirt off. All philosophical on them, right? You gotta pull the full side skirt and then you gotta pop them through. And then I'm probably gonna put like some small self tappers too, so they don't just pop out. Yeah, you like how we have a lift and we're down here trying to do it on our knees? Horrible. Oh, why does it hurt? Because we got a lift and it's not up in the air. I swear we forget we have a lift.
As the car's on the left.
As he's still like this under it. Come on.
But I'm not on my knees anymore. That's the.
So these side skirts got about 10, what, right? 10? 10 or so, 10 mils going down the side of it. They go under the actual side skirt. So now we're gonna pull it. We took them out. We gotta pull it out now. We're gonna go like this. Hit it with, just a quick yank. Quick yank, nothing crazy. Yeah. Boom, now we can close the doors. So like, look at this, right? This is where the tabs, right about there. You see how those tabs are lined up, but then look at the back. You see that? So you have to pull. Like if you're trying to do it on the car, it's damn near impossible unless you got that really good finesse. So I'm gonna start at one corner, right? And then go the whole way. And then pushing that in. Now we got tab all the way in. Boom. See, and then it gets caught here, so you have to pull this over. Try to get as much as you can. Boom, something like that. And like, look how far back this one is. Show them that real quick. So I have to get somewhere up in here. See that? Get that tab straight. Boom. I got 2 right there. It's not bad though. Like, I could clean a couple of these holes up. I got a unibit. Most of them line up though. Look at these middle ones. So I would just have to hit them with like a little drill bit. Yeah.
Got the side skirt on the passenger side here, clips in very nicely. And like Nick was telling you guys, you have to take off this like full side skirt assembly to actually clip the side skirt replacement in. So he's working on getting the driver's side done right now, and then we're gonna throw him up on the car, and yeah, I think it's gonna look really sick.
We gotta go under all these body panels.
Oh. Certified.
You seen that?
Yeah, I saw it.
You saw that? Look, had to put the hat up a little bit, and we're chilling.
Certified.
Damn.
Wet. I like it. I like it.
Oh wow, yeah. Now I see it.
I like that.
Like, look from the front lip where I was looking.
I really like that.
Like, look at that.
Yeah,
See,
it added
it ties
such a
from
nice
here
touch.
straight to the bottom. This is where I was looking at. So it's the same skirts, but without that flat part on the bottom, right? So
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, no.
Before it was an aggressive ass lip, right? With
just a flat.
it was like rolled.
Yeah.
Good touch, bro.
Ties it all together very well. I'm glad we did this with that.
Yeah, I agree.
This is the setup.
Yeah.
Yep, dialed.
It's almost like we know what we're doing.
Almost.
Like, damn, we only done this 7 times.
Well, yeah, I think these are gonna really make the engine bay look so much better. Add some carbon fiber. This isn't the only piece of carbon fiber we're throwing on today either, but this piece just goes right here over all this ugly stuff. I mean, look at that, dude. With the top of the headlight, like the DRL and all that, it's just ugly. I think this is a much needed piece on the S58. I think it just looks super good. So this tied together with the other carbon bits that we're gonna do, I think it's gonna look super good. So stoked to see how it's gonna turn out.
Pull out your phone. Hop on timer. You got my tools ready. You on timer?
Yep.
Hit it.
Let's see how long it takes.
See that? Moving from one side.
I'm telling you.
What are we at?
Almost 3.
Almost 3 minutes.
What's this challenge?
We're timing. We're timing.
Oh,
the
we're
install
timing?
piece.
Okay.
Yep.
No, you should do this side.
Yeah. This side, me this
I
side.
like that idea.
I'm down.
I
I'm
like
down.
that idea.
What's the bet? He has to buy you a Red Bull.
Okay.
All right,
Click that
yeah.
timer. Stop
It's done? Okay. He's done at 3:24. All right, I'm gonna do this side. If I beat you, you owe me food right after this. And if you beat me, I'll pay for your food. Deal? All right.
I'm done, but I'm also not. I just really don't want to cross-thread your shit right now. But it is done. You know, gotta make sure it's on right instead of just fast, because...
Cross thread the screws. Let's do it.
Should I?
Yeah, do it.
Send it?
Yeah, do it.
I'm seeing what we're gonna need to do on this side. Getting a little prep going. Cheating.
Hey, what do y'all think? Is he buying me food? I think he's buying me food.
I think I got this. I think
ready?
I got it in
If he
the
Go.
bag.
beats you, you're fired.
What are we going for first? My tools aren't here, man. My tools aren't here that I want. I just got to get it on. There's no rules here.
No. You gotta do it right.
Yeah, this is right.
Cheating?
No one's cheating. I think I'm beating you right now,
I
dude.
think you are too.
You've got 30 seconds.
Wow.
Done.
He did it. Wow.
Dubs.
Wow.
And I beat the tech.
beat the
maybe I
tech.
should start taking up tech work.
Let's see whose fender gap's better though. Cause to be honest with you, if I wasn't fucking with that for the past like minute, I beat you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Where's
Yeah.
the hood hit?
I don't know. That was pretty
you're
good.
dialed.
That was pretty good, dude.
No, you're dialed.
I don't know. I'd say they're the same.
Come on. I can
All
see
right,
that
let me
spot.
official judge this really quickly.
Pull out the tape measure.
Yeah, I gotta get the micrometer.
That looks pretty even.
His side is probably like 0.2 better. 0.2
Okay.
He
better.
didn't pull it out.
0.2 better.
I'll take it.
Close though.
I'll
Close.
take it.
You for sure beat me though. So I actually gotta buy you lunch, or you buying me lunch?
You buying me lunch, bro?
Draining my bank account.
I was thinking Roos Chris after this.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
down,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
Dude,
All right,
Chris?
let's go.
Yeah. I'm down. Maybe Rare Society. I don't
Yeah,
know.
something like that. You
No
got us,
boo?
right?
I like it. But now, I think we're missing one more carbon piece. I don't know, this kind of looks not right.
It doesn't, huh? It looks a little bare.
Yeah, it looks a little bare. So.
It's almost a little bit zesty.
I almost want to say we have a piece for this.
Do we really?
We might have a piece for
What's
this.
the plan of attack for this? Go grab that. Let's see your.
All right.
Let's go.
I think this is what we need.
That's fire.
Ties it all together right here. The plan of attack
What
here.
are we taking?
We're taking these off. We're taking this off, and then that's all I got.
You don't tell nobody about that one. It's like when you rev the shit after you just put like E in it, you gotta give it a whoom. See that snap?
So we're here with the G80, it's all finished up. We installed all the carbon pieces and it looks super good. So we're gonna show you guys all the parts, pop the hood. That's my favorite part. I think under the engine bay, we've really got a good revamp going for that. But the side skirts tied together with the rear bumper extensions, it just looks so much more aggressive. I really like the V2 side skirts. And then like I was saying, the rear bumper extensions, it kind of just ties it all together. But let's pop the hood and show you guys what it looks like under there. So we touched a lot of stuff here in the engine bay. As you can see, we have a lot more carbon fiber. This is the most excited thing that we did today, in my opinion. So we got the carbon fiber radiator brace cover and then these carbon fiber engine bay pieces on the side. I think it just ties together really well with the engine cover. Much needed to have some more carbon fiber. It should have came like this from factory. There's still a few more bits we could do, but it came really good and I really like how it turned out. All right guys, without further ado, that is everything we did to the G80 M3 today. If you like any of these pieces, they're available on our website. Link is in the description. Let's go out and do some pulls and then see what's going on over at the shop. All right, so I think the car's warm enough. We're gonna get out here on the main road, let it rip, hit a little anti-lag pull. I wanna get it running with Anthony once he gets the car dialed. Single turbo S55 versus stock turbo S58. Should make like around the same power. The pops on the shift sound so sick. Like, this car's fun, dude. Like, I can't complain. Every car just gets boring to me, so I can't keep anything for longer than like a year. All right, we'll get another second gear pull right here. So fun, bro. I love this car. That's gonna be it, guys. We did all the carbon fiber pieces on the G80, all the engine bay bits, the side skirts, the rear bumper extensions. I don't think there's anything left that we could do to the G80 M3. If you guys think otherwise, let us know in the comments down below. That's a wrap for this one, and we'll catch you in the next one.